Hi guys, welcome to tutorial Race, and in this video I'm going to cover the detailed tutorial about OpenCart. OpenCart is an open source software which is built using PHP MySQL. Using OpenCart, one can develop an e-commerce website. So OpenCart is open source e-commerce software which is used to develop full-fledged e-commerce websites. Now, I'm going to show you few benefits of using OpenCart. The first one is quick setup and user-friendly interface makes OpenCart an easy tool for non-tech savvy users as well as for merchants. Running on AJAX technology, OpenCart is a lightweight e-commerce solution that boasts of impressive site speed. And the third one is multi-store functions allow users to manage and monitor multiple stores from single admin panel. If you have more than one store, then it is possible through this OpenCart that using a single admin, you can manage 3, 4, or many stores with a single admin. So it is very user-friendly as well. Powerful features set and extension offers users with a wide range of functionality. When you install OpenCart, it has most of the features it is required. But if you need any custom requirement, if you have any custom requirement, then there is facility in OpenCart that there is a lot of free modules, extensions, which can be downloaded and added into your core OpenCart. Apart from that, there are a few paid modules or extensions also. So if you download that and install, then it saves times as well as the costing of developing from scratch. Now here are OpenCart features. The first one is unlimited categories. It has the facility where you can add as many as categories. There is no limit of adding categories at all. The second one is unlimited products. As many as products can be added, can be searched and edited as well. The third one is unlimited manufacturers. So like categories and products, manufacturers also can be added, edited, and deleted as many as you want. The fourth one is multi-currency. Suppose anyone wants to sell a product which supports multi-currency, which is global. For example, when you're selling a product in European countries, in USA, in Japan, then it may require more than one currency so that user can have exact idea how much price he has to pay. So in that case, you can use the facility provided by this OpenCart of this multi-currency feature. It has also facility of multi-language. Suppose you are selling your product in Japan, in South Korea, or China, or in India. In that case, people may prefer the local language. So that in that case, OpenCart also provide the facility to add your product in multi-language. Apart from that, it also supports product reviews. Once the customer purchases the product, then he or she can write the ideas that how the product was. So it will give the prospective customers, the idea whether the product is good or not. So this facility is inbuilt in this OpenCart. And then there is product ratings, actually it has to be product ratings. So apart from the reviews, the customer can also rate the product from 1 to 5. As mentioned before, that this is open source. You can download for free and you can use. You don't have to purchase any license for that. The right one is free documentation. It has a detailed documentation where if you need any help that how you can use any facility provided by this, then you can go to its documentation sections where you can download or online you can access and you can take advantage of this free documentation. Another one is Templatable. It uses a modern technique and its extension is .tweak. So it is very flexible and useful also. So the developers can easily develop and modify the templating system of this OpenCart. Now also it is built on MVC framework, which is called Model View and Controller. So in view section, it uses template. It has the facility when if you upload a large image, then it automatically resize your image so that you don't have to crop or you don't have to resize the image. It has facility of more than 50 payment gateways. There are inbuilt modules around 50 payment gateways which you can install each per your requirements. Apart from that, it has also more than 8 shipping methods which you can activate from the module provided in the admin section. So these are the key features of OpenCart, and I think these are a lot for small or medium-sized e-commerce websites. So in the further videos, I will show you how to install e-commerce in a local machine as well as how to install this OpenCart in online in using cPanel.